Hello, over there at PGS Landscape Company. I'd like to thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was told Paul would be the correct person to watch this, so Paul, I hope you're watching. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO, and yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. In this video, I'll show you what you have going behind the scenes of your website and also comparing it to one of your competitors around your area. Now, I'll keep this super short. I'm sure you're super busy. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational if you like and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Your website here looks pretty good. All the navigation is fairly smooth. The colors, images. I see your logo here. Yeah, so overall it's pretty clean, pretty good, professional. The first thing I want to go over is your content. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and also boost a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. So typically within 1,500 words to 2,000 is what you want to be in. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. By stuffing, in other words, is spamming or spam. That's what I mean. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords. But if they're scattered without protocol, that's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam, and you you don't want to go that route. Let's jump into arrows here real quick. This is a paid tool. Here we'll view the back end of your website. If you go onto arrows, type in your URL here, it'll show you what you have going behind the scenes. So organic traffic, that's pretty much people jumping into your website by month. So it looks like last month you got quantity of 8. Organic keywords, 47. This is very important. You want to get those high volume keywords, the actual keywords that people are nowadays using to search for your services and around your area. If you don't have those correct keywords, it's just going to hurt your website. Referring domain 68, backlinks 110, the DR meter and the UR. Let's start with the UR here. So the second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. Looks like you have 110. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UR level here, which is not giving you any boost, unfortunately. You do have some backlinks here, but they're probably not good quality. The third and final thing is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you've heard of these sites. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services, to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their service. That's pretty much what a citation is, and that would be your DR meter here. And it looks like you're at 0 at this point. Referring domains 68, your citations may be scattered here. If you have any, may have to look into that. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, unfortunately, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls, and leads. Who doesn't want those, right? This company is one of your competitors around your area here. This is their website. Looks like they have a good website going for them, a lot of images, a bit of text content. It's not over the 1,500. However, this is what they have going behind the scenes. Organic keywords, 51. Again, with the keywords, this is very important. Organic traffic, 127 people jumping onto the website in a monthly basis. Referring domains, 26. Backlinks, 629. The UR, which is your backlink meter, is 19. The DR, which is your citation meter, which is 1.7. This is not very good. They are getting some traffic going. Seems to be working just fine for them, but they are decreasing in rank. That's not a good sign. Typically, you want to keep this in a 1-to-1 ratio. It just seems very good in Google's eyes. Keeps you that it gives you that extra boost. So pretty much this is what I have for you for today. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need any information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're happy to help. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.